Hey guys, Diwali is around the corner, so from now I'll be sharing a series of Diwali DIY with you guys. Today in this video I'm gonna show you how to make use of kulfi matkas and DIY them. Please do not throw away these cute matkas because I'm gonna show you how to make use of them. So all the DIYs are beginner friendly. For that you will need a few acrylic paints. I'm doing it with fabric paints and some flat brushes, water to neutralize the consistency of your paint, few mirrors that you can find in the fancy stores. Now to start with, I am coating a layer of white on the kulfi matka to color correct so that your actual color will actually show off on the matka. Since it is Diwali, I'll be going with bright and playful colors. I'm choosing the orange and pink shades amongst the colors that I have. I'll be giving good 2-3 coats of the paint on the lower half of the matka. It does not have to be accurate, it can be rough, even beginners can easily do it. Next, I'm coating the orange on the upper half of the matka. I'm going very roughly over and above the matka. That's how I created a very nice ombre look with the both colors. I'm pretty satisfied with this one. I'm going to let it dry for some time now. After the colors are dried very well, I'm going to stick the mirrors over the matka using a Fevicryl liner. I'm going to stick these mirrors all around the matka in a linear way. You can stick it in other ways as you like. I'm sticking it in a straight line because I love it this way. Okay guys, so this is how the matka is looking after I have sticked the mirrors. It's looking pretty cute and vibrant. Now to make it look more vibrant, I'm gonna take the Fevicryl golden glitter outliner and add a few shapes to my matka. I'm making a chevron pattern at the bottom of the matka. I love using this outliner because it is very convenient to use. You just have to draw using it and it sticks and as well as gives you an instant glitter outliner. Okay, and after this I'm gonna make some random shapes in the middle part of the matka. I'm making some diamond shapes. In the same pattern I've sticked the mirrors. Okay guys, so I'm done with the glitter outliner. I'm gonna let that dry and show you at the end the final outlook of the matka and in how many ways you can use it. Okay guys, it has turned out very beautifully after it is dried up. Now since it is very vibrant, you can add it as your diya stand and makes your decor very vibrant, outstanding and hassle free. Okay guys, I'm gonna do another DIY using another matka. This is for people who think painting is not their thing and who think painting is tacky. So for that I'll be using some anchor threads and I'm using two different colors of these threads. I'll be rolling one color until the mid section of the matka. Section at the end, I'm gonna stick the end of the thread using a Fevicol and let the thread dry, and from the same place I'm gonna start with another color and stick it using Fevicol and start rolling the other color from that point to the bottom of the matka. You can do this using different colors of thread, using 3, 4, 5, 6 colors. How much ever patience you hold, you can do it that much. So I'm using only 2 colors right now. Okay guys, so I'm done rolling both the colors of the thread on the matka and this is how it is looking right now. I'm gonna add something else onto this thing. I'm taking a pearl string of this kind and tying it on the neck of the matka to add a little charm to both the colors of thread. This is how it turned out after I tied the pearl string. If you do not have a pearl string, you can make use of your bracelets, chains and just twist it around your matka. Finally, I love the output of this matka. It's looking really classy. I put this on the vanity of my room and using it as a jewelry holder, and I'm putting all the little jewelry like earrings and finger rings, as many as I can, and also it is acting as a centerpiece to my table. Okay, for my third matka, I'll be doing another DIY. This is for people who do not like vibrant stuff and are into minimalistic things. I'm coating a beige color onto the matka. after I'm done coating with the beige color, this is how the matka is looking. Onto this, I'll be putting the Fevicryl gold outliner, glitter outliner all over the matka very randomly. With the help of a flat brush, I am spreading all the gold glitter onto the surface of the matka very evenly. Now I'm taking the golden glass beads. These beads match with the beige shade that I've coated on the matka. Since the golden outliner that I have spread has adhesive properties on it, I'm just sprinkling all the glass beads onto the matka so that they stick automatically on the surface. Okay, I'm done sprinkling all the beads, and after it is dried, this is how it is looking, and I'm using it as a centerpiece for my table, and it's looking really beautiful. And so these are the 3 DIYs that I made using the kulfi matkas. Hope you enjoyed watching this video and hope you will be trying it. Let me know if you have tried this DIY in the comments. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Just Millennial Things for such awesome stuff that I'll be posting on this channel, so that you'll be notified every time I post a video. Bye bye. See you in the next video, guys.